am at the beautiful Minds event in Orlando, Florida. I got to show y'all some of the stuff that's going on right now. Appropriate Queen Caitlin is selling these awesome cups here. Look at the stickers. Look at this awesome shirt. Gorgina.
Okay, so
American Dream Nut Butters is here. These are addicting and delicious. You know I'm obsessed. We've got Uba. They've got all the portion control stuff. So awesome. We've got Berry Hair Care. Look at these. This is awesome. That'd be very useful. We've got Dr. Smith's Berry Balance. Look at this. Salted toffee pretzel. I need it. Look at this protein water. Oh yes, let's try it. Okay, what is this one? Okay, we're trying the Berry Burst protein water from Berry Balance. That's good. That's good. I've had some that are really nasty, and this is good. I swear it.
Oh, I know.
That's
my
good.
favorite. This is a little bit more tart.
Okay, so what's this one?
Everyone's different. Some people are favorite of the lemonade.
Lemonade. I love lemonade, so. It's my favorite.
See?
This one's pink lemonade. It's my favorite. That is the best protein water I've ever had. Swear it. That's good. And we've got Built Bar here. These addicting and equally as delicious. So stinking good. Try them if you haven't. And we've got Sherry here. She's been on her own journey. She's got her book here. Check her out. Awesome. Look at her hats, guys. I love that. Ooh, look at that pink one. I love this. That is so cool. It's like cork.
Real cork too.
That's awesome. And we got Dive Bar here. I have never tried a Dive Bar in my life, and they made me one. They took this one and put it in the little waffle maker. 10 out of 10. It was delicious. And apparently this one has 90 milligrams of caffeine in it. Very good. And then we've got Delia Fajas here, keeping us all snatched. And I just found out you can wear this whether you've had plastic surgery or not. It's going to help contour, but it's very comfortable as well. Love this. You can wear it after plastic surgery or just everyday use. And I just found this out. I had no idea, but the fabric is infused with seaweed, spirulina, vitamin K, vitamin B, and E. Keeps you comfort and moisturized, and it's gonna help with the loose skin. Guys, this is insane. So if you're on a weight loss journey, these are gonna be perfect to help with the loose skin. I need one. And then we have skinny mixes. Y'all, I just tried the sweet tea, and let me tell you, delish. I had to make that one. So stinking good. Teresa said she did banana with cotton candy. That sounds so interesting. I caught Tanya over here trying to concoct drinks for people. Love me some skinny mixes. And then it's loud. Sorry, we got Devotion in here. What are we doing here? Are we making mocktails? What are we doing? Not yet. Hydroflex waters. I heard the orange dreamsicle is delicious. Looks like they've made people some protein pudding. Yum. Look at the party happening, y'all. You are missing out if you're not here. We got all the ladies at the table. Hello, everybody. Woo! We're about to have